Dapat maging consistent sila. Ito ang sinabi ni House Lead Prosecutor Jervil Luistro sa pagharap sa Lunes sa Senate Impeachment Court ni Gina Acosta at Edward Fajardo. Nakatakdang humarap sa susunod na linggo sa witness stand. Si Acosta, dating Special Disbursing Officer ng OVP, at si Fajardo naman ang dating SDO ng DepEd.
We pushed them for one more question during that time. Bakit mo ginawa yun? Alam mong ikaw ang may pananagutan na si SDO. And then she answered, utos po ng boss ko. Referring to the Vice President. You need to go back to those hearings, no? But of course, we do not want to preempt the would-be testimony of SDO Acosta and SDO Lachica, pero curious ako kung anong sasabihin niya this time. She should be consistent. Kasi yung hearing sa good government, that's under oath. This one, under oath pa rin. So pagka binago niya, nagsisinungaling siya in either of the two forums.